Hello kids, so today we are going to see how to do calculation in Scratch. For that we will see arithmetic operators from the operator categories. Here you can see in green color there are four arithmetic operators are there, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So let's start. For that we will just add one sprite. So I added Sasha here. It seems to be big, so I will just make it to 80, and randomly you can add any backdrop if you want. For every sprite there has been given more than 2 or 3 costumes, so we don't need to animate here. So I'm just discarding other costumes and just maintaining only one costume here. Adding chalkboard as a background. And to operation, adding here one button. Right now you can see that button is an empty button. We will make some changes on this button and to look it as a addition button, subtraction, multiplication and division button. We need 4 operators, so duplicating it. So here you can see the line, text, brush, rectangle, circle. By using this we can make changes in this button sprite. For addition I'm using rectangle here, adding horizontal and vertical line. So it will look as the addition button. For subtraction just adding horizontal line. For multiplication just using single line. You can increase the thickness of this line. Right now I have not increased, but next to outline you can see the number, that is 4. You can increase that number and we will increase the thickness of that line also. For division operator adding again one horizontal line and two circle. So it will look as a division button. Now we have finished the changes in the button. For operators or to do some calculation, we need some numbers. Minimum two numbers required to do some calculation. So for that, I am just adding here two numbers, first and second number. So when the green flag has been clicked, so Sasha will ask to give or to enter some numbers from the user. Here is added stage log. So Sasha is saying, hello, let's do some calculation. To give the input, I need to use ask block from the sensing category. And here I can ask a user, enter the two numbers. The two numbers are there, so I have used to ask block here. Here you can see the numbers has been given, but it's not storing on the created variable. On the created variable, the whatever we have given the input should be stored. So for that, I have used here set block from the variable. So given input is stored in the created variable, that is the first and the second number. So now you can see when the green flag has been clicked, after giving the input, the variables are getting stored. But since the previously stored variable are not removed even if the green flag has been clicked, so for that we will use again the set block and set it as set block, set first and the second number to 0. So now the previously stored variable is removed. When the green flag has been clicked, Let's move to the addition button. To do the addition, the answer should be stored in another variable. So result variable has been created here. Set the result to addition. So for that, we will use here addition operator from the operator category. In here you can see two empty or two white circles. So for the first number, and we will drag this first number and the second number to this empty block, and again drag it to result to 0. So set result to first number and the second number addition. For the subtraction also we will do the same thing. Set result to, here we will use the subtraction operator, first number and the second number, drag this result to, for multiplication and division also we will do the same thing. Only we have to use drag the multiplication operator, and for division we will drag the division operator. See here, we can't drag directly this green operator to 0, so that's why I'm just dragging it outside. Here I'm dragging the when the sprite is clicked, not when the green flag has been clicked, when I'm clicking on the addition button. So that's why the different event is used here. So you can see the addition is being stored in the result when I'm clicking the addition button. For all the 4 buttons, we'll drag when the sprite has been clicked event. To display the output, here we will use just the addition of two numbers, or the addition of numbers. Drag result. I think we can't use here this say block. Because result should be stored somewhere, result should be displayed somewhere. So here right now you can see I'm just using the join from the operators category. That is the string operators are there. There are different kinds of operators are there, arithmetic, string, logical. Right now I'm concentrating on arithmetic operators. Here I've just used the Here I have used string operator, that is join, which will join two sentences. So when I'm clicking the addition button, it will display the addition of two numbers and the result. So you can see right now it's displaying. If you want, we can directly display the result only. I will show you with the another step block. If I'm clicking on the add button, it will display just result only. Right now it's showing the result 5. But for time being, we will use this string operator also. Let's delete it. And here the previously stored result we can see here. So that's why I'm just set the result to 0 when the green flag has been clicked. The same way we will do the for other buttons, subtraction, multiplication and division. The subtraction of two numbers is the result. For multiplication also the same thing. Drag the join operator from operators category. The multiplication of two numbers is the result. The division of two numbers when the green flag is clicked. The first number 2, second number is 4. After clicking on the addition, the number is 6. subtraction minus 2, multiplication is 8, division. Let's check it again. Subtraction is division. I think there is a mistake in division. Multiplication 6. Everything is correct. I think there is a mistake in division. Here the set result to first number and the second number. So now when the green flag is clicked, 14 is the first number, 2 second number, addition is 16, division, subtraction 7. Okay, right now displaying the correct value of division. So in this way the calculation is done in Scratch. Sorry. So let's name it as calculation. In Sprite, sorry, in Scratch. By mistakenly I have here also written Sprite. It should be in Scratch. So if you find this video informative and interesting, please like, share and subscribe to this video. Thank you.